Despite profitability being an obvious top priority for professional services firms, many struggle to accurately track the performance of their engagements. This is often due to a lack of real-time financial data caused by siloed departments and a reliance on multiple spreadsheets or systems which don't provide a reliable single source of truth. We see many firms look at project financials and resourcing plans in isolation, missing how crucial it is for a joined-up view to outline how one impacts the other. Managing engagements that way typically results in overruns, reduced margins, and, ultimately, dissatisfied clients. By integrating with your finance and timesheet software, Dayshape helps you plan and manage projects in real time, resulting in the best outcome for your firm and for your clients. Let's take a look at how this works. Engagement economics helps you plan and budget with accuracy. By integrating with your finance software or storing charge-out rates and internal costs natively in Dayshape, you can plan at a level of detail not seen in any other resource management software. Specify the resources you need, when you need them, for how long, and watch as the detailed engagement economics table updates. Because Dayshape is configured with your target margin, minimum revenue per hour, and other project controls, you'll see instantly whether engagements look right, helping you plan accurately from the outset and reducing the chance of issues later on. When the project is in flight and timesheet data comes through, Dayshape presents a clear view of how the engagement is performing versus budget. Enjoy how well the project is performing, or take preventative action if it's going off track. Dayshape is configured with your firm's financial requirements and will notify you if key performance metrics are not being met. We like to say, Dayshape's got your back, so you can focus on delivering a great service to your clients. This means Dayshape will alert you to any engagements that require your attention, such as those that are off budget or might be at risk of going that way. This provides a single source of truth to help you run your business and make crucial decisions at the right time. Engagement planning processes can require vast numbers of resource requests and thousands of budgets to be approved. Without the right tools, this could mean tens of thousands of hours consumed by seemingly endless emails, meetings, and plan iterations. Switching to Dayshape replaces this manual and laborious process. Make resource requests by describing the skills and experience you need rather than requesting a specific person. This unlocks a fairer, more effective, and centralized resourcing model. Building your projects in Dayshape is your first step towards near eliminating clashes and the painful clash resolution process. With the right data and tools to accurately plan, predict, and maximize profitability, Dayshape's engagement economics is a game changer for your firm. If you'd like to see why our customers love Dayshape, get in touch with our team for a demo.